But would this be the website that you need? Would this be a website that could convert your visitors into your customers? At Good Answers, we know every business is different and believe together that we can develop a website that's built for success by following this 8-step website development process. Step 1. Analysis. The first step is all about gathering information, identifying things like the website purpose, goals, and target audience. Step 2. Planning. The plan includes a definition of the sitemap, structure, and technologies that we need to use. Step 3. Design. Not only do we focus on layout and the visual style at this phase, but the usability of the site for the best possible user experience. Step 4. Content. A very important part of the process is choosing the right text, photos or videos, all optimized not only for visitors but also search engines. Step 5. Development. Here we actually create the website using the best coding and technologies and using a responsive design so the site is accessible on mobile devices as well as desktops. Step 6. Testing. We test all the technical features like code and scripts, compatibility with major browsers, and then ask you to test it. This is a good time to ask if the website will now fulfill its purpose. Step 7. Going live. After going live, we always monitor what's happening after the start, enabling us to fix any possible bugs and make improvements as needed. Step 8. Regular evaluation. By regular evaluation of the performance of the site and taking on board customer feedback, analytics data and conversion stats, we can work with you to further improve the site and help it evolve with your business. As you have seen, web development is a very involved process, but we believe that this is how websites should be developed. Please read some of our customers' testimonials, and if you would like to know how we can help you with developing a successful website, please get in touch. We will be happy to give you a free consultation.